All right, so we start off today's video with this DIY table design. Okay, so there's the base. Oh, wow, they use pool noodles for the leg. Wow. Oh, this is really cool. Wow, that looks absolutely gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some DIY project ideas and reacting to them. All right, so next up we have this floral inspired DIY. Now this is actually a huge trend on TikTok, doing like the floral wall. She is doing this for her sister's wedding, but you could do a color scheme for your bedroom as well. I think that would be really cool. Pick up the flowers from the Dollar Tree, some cardboard, and make yourself a cute little design. And this is a very cute and easy project idea. Nothing too complicated. And like I said, it would make for great wall decor, especially for your bedroom or your beauty room. Very cute. And then we have some wall art. So this to me looks like they used some type of canvas, framed it, and then used like the little wooden pieces in half. And unfortunately, we don't have the full details on what they actually did. But if you just got the wooden beads, glued them on the canvas, cut them in half, obviously, this would be a really easy project. I think it looks amazing. And you could paint over the wooden beaded part and make it look just like a nice little like dimensional, artwork piece. I think this is a really cool and crafty idea. All right, next up, we have a very easy one here. So this one involves the IKEA bowls. So this project is so easy, a kid could do it. Now that's just letting you know the easiness of the project. And then you can use like a cutting board for the top. Now you could leave it like this and give it like that natural, like if you put like a light stain over everything, I think that would be really pretty. You'd have like a natural looking wood based table. But he does go ahead and spray paint this. But such a cute idea. I love the way that this turned out. Definitely one of my favorite projects. And you don't even need that many bowls. You just need 4. All right, so next DIY involves some ornaments. We are officially heading to that season. We're gonna be seeing a lot more ornaments in the store soon. So grab them if you want to try this one out. They are simply painting them different colors, pink, green, and like a terracotta color. I like the color scheme. Very unique. looks like they're selling them. And they're making like a little decorative wreath here with the ornaments. Now what's cute about this is this would be like a really cute like spring project, I feel like, to hang out or to hang up during like the spring summer season. I really like that color scheme. That is really pretty. And obviously you can do whatever color scheme your heart desires. Very cool. All right, so we have some boxes here, a bamboo placemat. Okay, so they did 2 of the boxes here. Oh, it looks like they're making like a tiered tray, like a little decorative tray. That's cute. Very nice. You can put whatever like little knickknacks or jars in there for storage. Very cute. All right, I think we have another Dollar Tree project here. I love the bedazzled glue gun. Looks like a very elaborate piece that you would not want your children to be around. Whoa, yeah, she is stacking these up high. Then adding some gold tape for some flair. Adding in some crystals. Now it looks like she's making a very glammed out candle holder. Wow, look at that. Oh, those are gorgeous. And I like how she made them 2 different heights. Very cool idea. And here's another Dollar Tree DIY. So we got the cylinders here. Some stones. Candle holders. Oh, it's a boho inspired centerpiece. Okay. Hot glue gun and the 600 glue. Yes, that's to make sure that it stays on there. That's actually a really good tip because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I tried a DIY once with just a hot glue gun and it fell apart like it fell apart like a few days later. I was like, what? Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh, wow. And you know what's nice about this project is she didn't even have to spray paint it. I mean, you could if you want to, but I think she's just leaving it like this. I love her tips though. I love the fact that she's giving us insight. And then she put those stones in there. Wow, that is really pretty. Very cool idea. Oh, finishing off with some pampas grass. Very nice. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.